Embarking on your journey as a Scrum Master can be both exhilarating and daunting, especially when tasked with introducing Agile Scrum to a team unfamiliar with its principles and practices. In this guide, we'll walk through the essential steps to kickstart your Scrum journey with your first team. From laying down the foundational concepts to implementing Scrum rituals, let's walk through the practical steps to ease your transition into the role and set your team on the path to Agile success. Before diving into the practical steps, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental concepts of Scrum. At its core, Scrum is an iterative and incremental framework for managing complex projects with the aim of continually delivering value to users. It emphasizes adaptability, collaboration, and continuous improvement. The Scrum framework consists of three key roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. The product owner is responsible for prioritizing the product backlog and ensuring that the team delivers value to the stakeholders. The development team is self-organizing and cross-functional, responsible for delivering potentially shippable increments of the product at the end of each sprint. You, as the Scrum Master, will serve as a servant leader, facilitating the Scrum process, removing impediments, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Now, let's have a look at what that means in practical steps. Step 1. Educate your team. The first step in introducing Scrum to your team is education. Schedule a kickoff meeting to familiarize your team with the principles and practices of Scrum. Use this opportunity to explain the benefits of Scrum, such as increased transparency, faster delivery, and better adaptability to change. Encourage open discussion and address any concerns or misconceptions they may have about adopting this new approach. Step 2. Establish clear goals. Once your team has a basic understanding of Scrum, work together to establish clear goals. Collaborate with the product owner to define the project vision and create a prioritized product backlog. Break down the work into manageable user stories and estimate the effort required for each. Step 3. Set up your Scrum rituals. With goals in place, it's time to start implementing Scrum rituals. Schedule a sprint planning meeting to kick off the first sprint. During this meeting, the team will select user stories from the product backlog and commit to delivering them by the end of the sprint. Encourage the team to break down the selected user stories into tasks and plan how they will complete the user stories. Throughout the sprint, hold daily stand-up meetings to keep everyone aligned and address any obstacles or dependencies that may arise. These meetings should be time-boxed to 15 minutes and focus on what each team member accomplished yesterday, what they plan to accomplish today, and any impediments/hurdles they're facing. At the end of the sprint, conduct a sprint review to demonstrate the completed work to the stakeholders and gather feedback. Use this feedback to refine the product backlog and plan for the next sprint. Finally, hold a sprint retrospective to reflect on the team's performance and identify areas for improvement. Step 4. Foster collaboration and accountability. As a Scrum Master, it's essential to foster a culture of collaboration and accountability within your team. Encourage open communication and transparency. Ensure that everyone feels empowered to speak up and contribute ideas. Hold regular one-on-one meetings with team members to provide support and address any concerns they may have. Promote a sense of ownership and accountability by empowering the team to self-organize and make decisions collaboratively. Celebrate successes and learn from failures as a team, and continuously seek opportunities for improvement. Scrum is all about continuous improvement. Encourage your team to regularly reflect on their processes and identify ways to streamline their workflow and enhance their productivity. Experiment with new techniques and tools. Be open to adapting your approach based on feedback and lessons learned. Launching Scrum with your first team can be a challenging yet rewarding experience. By following these practical steps and embracing the core principles of Scrum, you can lay the foundation for a successful and collaborative working environment. With dedication, patience, and a commitment to excellence, you and your team can achieve great things together in your Scrum journey. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel.